All right, I think we can get started now. So, hello everyone. Welcomes to today with Yuku. Tracy, Yuku's operation manager, and I'll be hosting this exciting session today. Joining me is my colleague John. Yeah, I think you guys. It's the first time you guys having uh, a session with John. John is Yuku's VP of growth, and at the same time, you guys are familiar with ICP Space. Yeah, he'll be co-hosting this event with me. And moving forward, we are so happy to have you guys all here as we dive into Yuku's recent milestone. And at the same time, we will be revealing some exciting new products and features that we've been working on recently. So today's topic that we'll be covering are the much anticipated launch of Yuku mobile app. I guess you guys been seeing us, sharing about the mobile app, and also we excited also to let you guys know that Yuku has been working on the DID NFT collection, and at the same time also talk a little bit about the recent TG bot of Yuku. Mm, so we're here to share some updates and answer a couple of questions and get you excited about the next step in Yuku's journey. So here is the cherry top. We also have some Yuku token that will be sharing with the you guys with the attendees here, but only to users who stick around with us until the event and also ask some thoughtful relevant question. So make sure to engage with us and also stay with us, so that you might have a chance to be part of those lucky winners. All right, so yeah, I'll just open the mic now to our co-host to say hi.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon. Hello, Tracy.
Hello.
Yeah, I was glad to be here again. No, it's been a nice one. Co-hosting with Yuku
Yeah,
and then also John. It's been a very long one. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How have you guys been?
Yeah, I'm doing awesome too. Yeah, for me, it's amazing to be here again. Thanks for the hear me. It's going to be a privilege.
yes, it's been quite some time since we had
Yeah.
an AMA
Yeah.
together.
A lot of works into. I want to believe there's so much work on the other hand. The mobile app, the DID, the
Yeah,
marketplace, everything. I want to believe everyone is just so busy. Trying to upgrade their 16 infrastructure. That's amazing. Yeah. Thanks for this one.
yeah. So, John, yeah, would you like to introduce yourself to our audience here?
Of course. So, my name is John Crowley, and I'm the new VP of Growth here at Yuku. I've only been working at Yuku for about a month now, but I have a very long history in crypto. I've been working for crypto companies since 2018. So, I'm definitely very excited to be here, and I'm happy to be involved in the growth and evolution of the platform.
Thank you, John. Yeah. So, without further ado, let's just dive into the questions. Yeah. So, with the first question, we'll just just mention the recent introduction about the AI agent that we have been working on. So that AI agent will be particular use in the metaverse. So we'll let John tell you guys a little bit more about the AI DID NFT collection. Yeah. So we are planning to release it very very soon, but we think it's very important for us to let you guys know about that and how you can use it, and also it come actually with a couple of rewards and some advanced features, and we'll let John just let you guys know about it a little bit.
Yeah, so this is a great one to start off with. So Yuku's focus for this product is heavily geared toward the integration of privacy, security, and efficiency through its innovative features and functionality. So the architecture of this collection is anchored by three core components: AI decentralized identity protocols, multi agent collaborative networks, and advanced data protection solutions. So, these capabilities enable identity management, enhance intelligent collaboration, and strengthen privacy safeguards for users within the AI ecosystem, which opens expansive possibilities for future AI Web3 applications. Now, the core benefits of the Yuku DID are cross chain wallet support, support for creating exclusive AI agents compatible with OpenAI, Llama 2, and other models, cross chain agent domain names, limited edition airdrops of 5-digit domain names, exclusive private vector database storage, and access to 3D avatars and 3D spaces in the Yuku metaverse. Now, with all that said, it should be noted that there is no official launch date for this sale as of right now, but you guys can expect to see that coming live in the coming months. So when the time comes, we'll have tweets with articles and we'll probably post some videos and we'll make sure that you guys get the full details leading up to it.
Thank you, John. Yeah. So just to sum it up, I'll just say that it's definitely an exciting move into the AI landscape for Yuku. Going with the DID. So to be clear, the initial launch of the DID collection will not be fully functional. However, as we move further along our roadmap, we'll be seeing full multi-agent functionality stemming from this. As you guys know, right now, yeah, AI DID agents are kind of a hot topic. Like we can all see that recently a couple tokens launch like pumping like really hard. So it's kind of the narrative right now. So many believe also is they will be doing super well for this bull run. So that's one of the reason like Yuko core team decided to take the lead and just try to build something in that direction. Yeah. All right. So moving on to the second question. Our team here at Yuku is extremely also excited to unveil the launch of Yuku mobile app. A couple of you guys already took part in the testing of the Android version, and yeah, we have been now working on the iOS version, which will be released very very soon. So make sure you follow our Twitter account and also join our Telegram just to so that you can be updated regarding those upcoming launches. Yeah, so what we'll do is like we'll let John here to tell us more about the app and also what it means for our users.
Yeah, so actually, the app has launched on iOS now. So the beta version of our mobile app can be found in the iOS App Store and also Android app stores. So You guys should be able to find it in your app store right now if you search for Yuku app, or we'll be posting some QR codes that you can scan to get directed to a download page. But while this is the beta launch of our app, uh, so there's going to be some bugs here and there. We feel that this is a very exciting milestone for Yuku as it achieves a wide variety of positive benefits for the community and its growth. Not only does it give mobile users the ability to access live metaverse events, but you're also able to earn Yuku credits through completing regular tasks on the app. And pretty soon, you're going to be able to swap your Yuku credits, which many of you have probably been accruing those for a while. In the app itself, you'll be able to swap directly to Yuku tokens. So, that's going to be a feature exclusive to the mobile app. On top of that, we also have strong referral mechanisms embedded in the app. So you can get rewarded in Yuku credits if you share your invite code with your friends and family and get them to give it a try. And if you keep checking the task list there, you'll see partner tasks and things like that where you can complete short activities and earn extra credits. So, we expect to see this mobile app greatly increase participation in our metaverse events going forward. And we really hope you guys will download it at some point and give it a try and let us know what you think.
Perfect, guys. Yeah, just to add something a little bit about what John just said. Um, like it has been like a wish. I might call it a wish. Like, we usually host a lot of events in the metaverse, and one of the problem that most of our users face, you guys face, is the fact that like on a daily basis you guys using your mobile phone, and the access of of the metaverse has only been possible through a laptop, so it was a big problem for many people. Many users used to complain about it not being able to attend those events, you know. So that's one of the reasons actually we have been working so hard actually to make it reality, and build an app that would allow all you guys to access the metaverse and also access a couple more features throughout the your phone. Yeah, so I think it's really a great milestone actually for us, for Yuku. Yeah, and just to add also something else on that, like throughout the app you guys will be able to earn a couple more things, like some credits that uh later on could be redeemed for Yuku tokens, right? And we also have a couple more tasks in there, like some daily task that you guys can do in order to earn also some other credits. And again, those credits will be redeemable for Yuku token. Yeah. Yeah, so that was just kind of a brackets regarding the app. So yeah, moving forward, we have the third question. So regarding the third question, I will just allow our friend here, ICP Space, to go with it.
Right. Yeah. Thanks, Tracy and John. That's amazing from your end. It's good to see, more hands have been put to, unravel the mysteries of Web3. So I'm so glad about the development recently about the ID and then the mobile app, now on the Google Play Store and on the iOS version. So that's amazing. It's a credit to the team. I'm impressed. So now the TG mini app, the app, Telegram bot is a groundbreaking innovation that enables developers, to create seamless interactive experiences. And I want to believe Yuku has also moved into the direction It's a novel technology that allows bots to be transformed, into a fully fledged many applications that provides users with a more immersive and engaging experiences. So now that I see, I think a month ago you could roll out this announcement that they currently have the TG Mini app. So I don't want to assume that we all know what exactly we have to be, experiencing. So now that we have that on the TG, John, would you mind explaining to everyone on the AMA a bit about this application and its functionality?
Sure. So our Ton Mini app is live right now on the Telegram network. And much like the mobile app, a big part of the goal in launching this app is increasing Yuku's reach and visibility within the digital world. So, our Ton Mini app offers a new avenue for you to link your principal ID from ICP to your account, and you can complete tasks or refer others to the bot and earn Yuku credits. And when our DID sale goes live, this mini app will also serve as a nice interface to spread the word and help new users get involved from the rapidly expanding Telegram ecosystem. So, from our perspective, it's a way for our team to start spreading the word about Yuku and getting people involved that may not necessarily be familiar with ICP yet.
Yeah, yeah, that's a very wrap of the TG mini boat system that are developed by the Yuku team. I want to believe the majority of the blockchain network currently are engaging the narrative, and that is where the user base is now. For you to have millions of user base across different blockchain is a very, very massive experience. And I'm glad Yuku is also turning to that, kind of narrative, which it turns out to be one of the things that will drive more adoption to the Yuku experiences, both on the mobile app and even in the metaverse. So thanks, John, for that analysis. It's impressive. So I'll have the microphone to Tracy. Yeah,
Thank you, ICP Space. And
you're welcome.
guys, we cannot talk about like TG bot without talking about the feature that allow you guys also to to share the link, to refer the link or the app to other users. So it's one of the one functionality also that we have. So I guess if you guys have the link, just do not hesitate actually to share it with your friends and family members, because the more users you have joining using your link, you'll be getting a percentage, of a reward actually for doing so. So, and it's a great way actually, for you guys to to accumulate more credits, again redeemable for Yuku token. So yeah, let's just try to work on it as much as we can, and accumulate more credits. So yeah, that was just also something I
Yeah,
want
I think
to share.
additionally,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, yeah, I think we need more hands to amplify the reach. People are massively engaging in the Telegram bot,
Yeah.
and I want to believe if that should be the capture of these you cool experiences, we can see, I think, millions of people, downloading and using the link to one or two things. So far, they know that their credits will be redeemable for the Yuku token at launch. So people will not hesitate to want to interact with their mobile app. So we want to employ everyone on the space, the AMA. After the AMA, just go back to the Yuku page. You can currently see the link, and then start engaging and accumulating more points for yourself. That is redeemable for Yuku token.
Thanks. And yeah, there is also something like a very, very, very exciting new that we would like to also discuss with you guys. But not today actually. So make sure you follow us. As I said earlier, we'll be having another AMA. I think normally on the by Monday. Yeah, I'm not very sure, but I think hopefully by Monday we'll be having another AMA, and there is a bonus news that we will share with you guys. Very exciting, and guess you guys will like it. But just know that it's a metaverse related space, um, a very special space, and that come with like interesting interaction for you guys. So make sure you stay tuned about Yuku, and also make sure to do not miss any of our announcement on Twitter. So yeah, let's just try to to open the floor. So if any of you guys have any question regarding what we just discussed, make do not hesitate actually to raise, and we'll allow you to speak. But again, I'll repeat. Make sure that the question is related to what we discussing today. If it's not related to this, you won't be able to to be selected as a winner of today's giveaway. Yeah.
All right. I think we have Sender and Sina currently on upstage for the question. So I will go with Sender. You have the floor.
Thank you very much. I'm audible.
Yeah, you are. Please go ahead and ask your question.
Okay. My question is, how do you ensure the long term sustainability and value of the Yuku token? Thank you.
Ensuring the sustainability of Yuku token, right?
Yeah, and the value of the Yuku token. Thank you.
Okay.
Sure, I'd be happy to answer this one. So Yuku is governed by an SNS DAO, and a DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization. So that means, just like ICP itself, users need to stake Yuku tokens in neurons with varying dissolve delays, and that gives them voting power over the treasury and changes on the blockchain to Yuku's architecture. So, the Yuku token is actually a critical component to the Yuku ecosystem. And it also acts as a currency option on our NFT marketplace as well. So there's definitely no question about the utility and necessity of the token.
Right. I think that should solve your part. So send Euclid as a DAO that's ensuring the sustainability and the long-term, utility of the mother token of the platform. That is the Yuku token.
Mhm.
So thanks for that question, sender. So Zina, I think it's your turn to open the floor. You can mute your microphone, sender. Thank you. Yeah, Zina,
Okay. Am I audible?
you are audible. Please go ahead. Your question.
Okay, my question is what are your primary revenue streams and how do you plan to achieve profitability in a volatile market? Thank you.
Uh, I'm not sure that relates exactly to the
Yeah,
discussion of the day.
not relate to it.
So can you just, I don't want you to leave the stage. Can you just pick one of the questions you put in the pane? Yeah, you still have one chance, Zina. Yeah, Zina, you still have another.
Okay.
Yeah,
What are the future plans for token utility and distribution?
the
Thank
same
you.
question that was asked
It's
earlier before.
relate to what we do.
Alright.
Oh yeah,
All right, you can still be upstage while we try to pick one of the questions. But if you have this, can go back to the Yoko page and just reminisce about the AMA, and you can come back and ask your question. But for now, let's pick someone else to ask the question. Yeah, I'm
we
trying to approve. Yeah, go ahead, Chris.
I think we have in the chat we have a question. It's
Okay.
by Beholder Crypt. He's asking how user friendly is the app for both crypto beginners and advanced users.
Right.
Yeah, that's a good question. I'm assuming he means the mobile app, but the it really
Yes, the mobile app itself.
okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, the mobile app is actually very intuitive for beginners and definitely intuitive for experienced users. It uses an email login structure, so you don't need to previously have experience with ICP to get started there. And everything's feels very much like Web 2 in the sense that you don't need to learn a bunch of new cryptography stuff to get involved. So I think the barrier to entry is very low there, and even even people that are totally tech illiterate would be fine.
right.
All right. Thanks, John, for that. Yeah,
Mm.
I think Iliam, that should. Okay, you have the floor now, please. Iliam, if I got your
Hello,
name correctly. Yeah.
my question is how does the AI technology how work in the Yuku app? Thank you.
Can you come again? You are no more audible, please.
How does the AI technology work in the Yuku app?
Okay. I think it's trying to say how what the futures of the current AI agent related to the integration to Yuku.
Right,
That
okay.
why are you trying to? Yeah, you got that right.
Yeah, so
Okay.
essentially, the way we view it, our vision for the DID agents is that they'll kind of serve varying purposes for different people. So, you know, you might be an expert yourself and you might train it in your field of expertise and then have it, let's say, respond to your emails or field other people's questions on your behalf using knowledge that you've given it, or you might um, you might interact with someone else's AI agent for something that's maybe tax advice or medical advice. There's a lot of creative ways we think that somebody might employ a personal AI agent like that, and it's interesting to think the wide range of possibilities that that could go. So, to me, I don't think it's really something that we've been very narrow about because it's hard to say what the end user is going to do with the AI. But seeing what people have been doing with popular things like Chat GPT, I can see that having access to kind of your own exclusive AI would have a unique appeal and open some new doors.
All right. Yeah. Thanks for that, John. It's amazing. I think that should solve your question, Liam.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, I think I should bring Satoru. Satoru home. Okay. I think I found a question here also from my blockchain AI. I need to take that saying saw today some amazing features on the Yuku app. Want to ask about the current tags and the need for more user utility experiences in term of the size of the app, user friendly, and the lag features. Do you get that? I think you can just check the comment section. There is one from my blockchain AI. Did you get that, John? Did you see that?
I'm sorry, could you repeat the question? I don't actually. Oh, I think I can see it. Hold on.
Okay. I think he's saying he saw today some amazing features on the Yuku Lab. Want to ask about the current task and the need for more user utility experiences in terms of the size of the app, user friendly, lag features.
Right. Yeah. So the app is relatively large. I believe it was 700 megabytes or something like that the last I checked. But that's kind of hard to condense with the nature of the metaverse on Yuku. So I'm not sure how much improvement we can expect to see there in the future. But we definitely are aiming to optimize everywhere that we can. Like we said earlier, this is a beta launch of the app, so you may have some laggy features or some things may not function 100% all the time. But if you encounter problems that are noteworthy, you can always report them to us and we'll take a look.
All right, that's great. Yeah, I think we have Satoru. If you are listening to us, my blockchain something, you can see that your question is somehow answered. Satoru, I think you have the floor now. You're upstage. Yeah, unmute your microphone, please. Satoru Gojo. Okay, I'm not sure. Maybe it's not trying to pick it up. Okay, we can still check the comments box again. No one is still requesting. Zina, I think you've already been picked for your question. You can raise your hand down, please. All right, I'd say just Akude. I'm trying to approve the request. Yeah, now you are upstage. Akudike, you have the floor.
Okay, good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Good afternoon. You are welcome. Yes, you are audible.
Okay, I wanted to ask. Now, I have looked at other NFT marketplaces. We have like OpenSea, which is peculiar to the Ethereum ecosystem. And I just wanted to know why Yuku, why bringing up Yuku? Because I feel the NFT marketplaces is already saturated. So, is there any plans to include other ecosystems outside the ICP ecosystem in the Yuku NFT marketplace? I don't know if you understand me.
Yeah, but if you have been on this AMA from the beginning, if I want to believe that your question is not related, but we still wanna just try to do some justice to that, but trying to ask if Yuko is going to be going multi-chain or cross-chain. That should be your
Yeah,
question. Yeah.
exactly.
Tracy, will you be happy to answer that? Or John will take the question.
Okay. So the question is, if Yuku will be going multi-chain, right?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm not sure how long you've been with the ICP ecosystem, and also how long you've been following Yuku. But Yuku, going multi-chain is a fact. Actually, it has been made publicly in Yuku's white paper. Actually, if you go on Yuko's website, right at the bottom of the page, you will find a link over there, and it says white paper. You open the white paper, you find that Yuko has planned to, to go multi-chain. We have an integration over there with BTC and also with Ethereum. Yeah. So those are already made public. It's everyone is aware of it, so we just working our way towards that, you know yeah, it's a way actually
Yeah,
for us also to 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 expose what we are doing into a bigger like a bigger in a bigger scale, actually, to a wide uh, range of other people, because the goal here is to increase the value of Yuku, the value of Yuku token, and also the value of ICP. So for projects decided to go multi-chain, I think it's an additional layer to whatever we have going on ICP. So yeah, we have that plan, definitely, for sure.
Yeah, thanks for that, Tracy. So you should know that Euclid is trying to extend their horizon to, I know some blockchain network. Currently, we have integration with BTC and Ethereum. So that should wrap your question up. Yeah, Shatsuru, I think you are back now, or you should go to next. You can unmute your microphone and ask your question. Okay, I think it's active. All right.
I
I think we should pick one of questions from the floor, and then how do you detect that? How do you see that?
um Yeah, like, if not any more question, no more
Yeah,
question,
all
we
right.
can just wrap it up. Guys, we will have a couple more AMAs coming in the coming days, so get ready for that. Each one of them will have some reward, actually. Yeah, just something to to reward the our attendees. Yeah, and say thank you to them. So yeah, so make sure you stay tuned about our announcement on Twitter. Yeah, the best way to know what we are doing is to follow us on Twitter. Make sure to follow us and also join Yuku's Telegram. So for Telegram, you go on Yuku Twitter account, you find the link there. Yeah, we have our link tree right there. So you open the link tree, you'll be able to join our Telegram, the Yuku community. Yeah, we will be having a lot of things coming up in the coming days, so you don't want to miss it out. Yeah, some also, I just wanted to also to thank you all for giving us some time, actually, to explain to you what we have been doing recently and everything we have coming up very soon. We're so excited about the launch of the mobile app and also the DID NFT collection. Yeah, and I also just want to say thanks to ICP Space here. He's Yuku's good friend and partner as well. It's not the first time we've been sharing, like hosting together an AMA here. So, and I'm sure it's not going to be the last time as well. So, cheers for being here, and also thanks to John here for taking the time to explain you guys what we have also going on. And John, do you have anything you would like to say before we wrap it up?
Yeah, I just want to say thank you to everybody for coming, and hopefully you guys are as excited as we are about these new products coming out. So we hope to see you at these future AMAs.
I ICP Space, do you have anything you would like to say?
Yeah, just a few. Thanks, guys, for coming to this another EMA with Yuku. It's a privilege to see you all. I used to say this without you all, those spaces, this AMA will not be, be this successful. So thanks for the support. Keep supporting Yuku. They have a lot of futures, a lot of amazing updates for you guys. So don't miss out on the upcoming EMAs and the PRs. So thanks, Tracy. Thanks for bringing me up again.
Thank you. That was a pleasure.
And
All
John,
right.
thanks for
So,
meeting you.
Yeah, it was great to
yeah.
meet you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so regarding the reward, we took some screenshot, and we'll make sure to select the winners, and we'll share also. And the winners will be tagged. So yeah, keep an eye on your Twitter, And if you select it, you'll be tagged, and make sure to DM us your PID, principal ID. Yeah. So yeah, from there we'll make sure to drop you the tokens. Thank you guys, and see you next time.
All right. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for coming. Bye bye.